Preparation of lubrication point. Clean the lubrication point prior to installation to protect the inside of the bearing against contamination. Remove the grease nipple and check the thread size for the Perma reducer. Apply thread sealant to the reducer and to all other connecting parts and screw them into the lubrication point. Pre-fill lubrication point and all accessory parts with lubricant. Be sure to use the same lubricant that is filled into your lubrication system. Always follow the manufacturer lubrication instructions. For remote installations, please ensure that all accessories and crease lines are pre-filled with grease. Activation. Our free Perma Select software or the chart in the Perma catalog can assist you in finding the most suitable discharge period for your application. Remove the protection cover from the LC unit. Attach the drive unit and turn it until the marking on the LC lines up with the edge of the drive unit. The Perma Nova lubricator lets you select a discharge period from 1 to 12 months. Holding down the Set button for more than 1 second will give you access to the menu. Pressing the button again will increase the discharge period by another month. Stop pressing the button when you reach the desired discharge period. Settings are saved automatically. The display shows the selected discharge period and 2 blinking lines. Write the activation and the expected replacement date into the intended field on the lubricator label before installation. Installation. Remove the outlet plug from the lubricator and screw the lubrication system into the lubrication point hand tight. After the discharge period has elapsed, the Perma Nova LC must be replaced with a new LC filled with the same lubricant. Use a face spanner or some pliers to remove the battery from the empty Perma Nova LC unit. Place the tool in the designated notches and turn left or right until the battery is released. For correct disposal of Perma Nova and the empty battery, please follow the individual waste disposal regulations in your country. For more information, please check the operating instructions.